special marine warning for Monterey County windward waters until 6:45 a.m. At 4:50 a.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 10 nautical miles north of Fadbury to 7 nautical miles northwest of Fadbury FF, moving northwest at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and subtly higher waves. Locations impacted include Kahului Harbor, Fadbury O, Fadbury North, Fadbury HO, Fadbury Q, Cape Halava, Fadbury DD, and Fadbury FF. Prepare for gusty winds, steep and fast-building seas, and blinding downpours. Stay low or go below, and make sure all on board are wearing life jackets. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. High surf advisory. in Raleigh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Moore County in central North Carolina, southwestern Harnett County in central North Carolina, northwestern Cumberland County in central North Carolina, northeastern Hope County in central North Carolina, until 4:30 p.m. At 3:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles east of Southern Pines, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Fort Liberty, Pope Air Force Base, Spring Lake, Vass, and Bonnie Doon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast. Southeastern Sampson County in central North Carolina.
Just in time.
4:45 p.m. At 4:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Emmon, or 13 miles northeast of Elizabethtown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harold's and Garland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Moore and northeastern Hope counties is canceled. The severe thunderstorm has prompted the one that moved out of the way.
Q98, 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 Q98. Nope. Alright. That's scary.
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Darlington County in northeastern South Carolina, southern Marlborough County in northeastern South Carolina, until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Girard State Park to 6 miles north of North Hartsville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Dumpsville around 4:25 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Montclair and Floyd around 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Darlington and Mechanicsville around 4:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Brownsville around 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Glenheim and Society Hill. This is a severe thunderstorm watch. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Chesterfield County in central South Carolina until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:28 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clyde, or 10 miles northwest of Hartsville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include McBee, Alligator Fire Station, and Lindor.
Doubleheader?
North Carolina until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:29 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Clyde, or 9 miles northwest of Hartville, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. The following impacts are expected: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hartville, Darlington, North Hartville, Dubsville, Montclair, Darlington Raceway, Auburn, Swift Creek, Clyde, Mechanicsville, Floyd, Kellytown, Florence Darlington Technical College Main Campus, and Carolina Pines Regional Medical Center. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Sampson County in central North Carolina, Central Cumberland County in central North Carolina, until 5:30 p.m. At 4:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles south of Godwin, or 12 miles east of Fayetteville, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Oh, I hate when this happens.
Locations impacted include Clinton, Eastover, Roseboro, Stedman, Wade, Sonnenberg, Oakville, and Zender. You are the 4 p.m. observations from the north floor of the building. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 2 until 9 p.m. Impact: hail damage to the counties in North Carolina, Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland.
That is weird. My radios keep going off light. Okay.
National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe
Wilmington
thunderstorm
again.
warning for southeastern Robeson County
For me.
in southeastern North Carolina, southwestern Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina, northwestern Columbus County in southeastern North Carolina. Sail at 60 miles per hour. At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Fairmont, or 9 miles southwest of Lumberton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Boardman around 4:45 p.m. Elkton around 5:20 p.m.
Wait.
Emerson
There we
around
go.
5:25 p.m. Council around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Orem, Clarkson, and Proctorville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please send your reports of hail and flash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. In southeastern North Carolina until 6 p.m. At 4:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 4:45 p.m. Hazard: 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Boardman around 4:45 p.m. Elkton around 5:20 p.m. Emerson around 5:25 p.m. Council around 5:35 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Orem, Clarkson, and Proctorville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. 3901. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following counties: Bladen, North Carolina. A strong thunderstorm will impact northeastern Bladen County through 5:15 p.m.
Oh, this is getting crazy already.
Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County in southeastern North Carolina, Dillon County in northeastern South Carolina, northern Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 5:30 p.m. At 4:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bingham, or 9 miles west of Dillon, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Dillon, Mullins, Latta, Lakeview, Sellers, Fork, Zion, Hammer, Oak Grove, Bingham, Floridial, Smithboro, Kemper, Little Rock, Minturn, Barnesville, Nichols, Marietta, and McLeod Medical Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The following is a special weather statement for the following county: Sampson, North Carolina. A strong thunderstorm will impact southeastern Sampson County through 5:30 p.m.
Yeah.
National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southern Lancaster County in central South Carolina, Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:51 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Great Falls, 412 miles northwest of Jacksonville, 40 miles per hour. The following hazards are expected: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and asphalt-sized hail. The following impacts are expected: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Kansas, Lake Wateree Dam, Kershaw, East Springs, Westfield, South Suggestion Hampton, Liberty Hill, Drewdale State Park, Lake Wateree State Park, Lagoon, North Central High School, Belltown Fire Station, DeKalb, North Town Square Shopping Center, Faith Christian School, Midway Elementary School, Pleasant Hill, and Kershaw Correctional Institution. This includes Interstate 77 between mile markers 46 and 50. The forecast for July and surrounding areas. Southeastern Sampson County in central North Carolina until 5:30 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Harrells, or 15 miles southwest of Wallace,
it broke.
moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Harrells and Ivanhoe. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 5:30 p.m. for south central Sun, southeastern Illinois, and northeastern Maryland. central Marion County in northeastern South Carolina until 7:45 p.m. At 6:42 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northeast of Pamplico to 7 miles northeast of Gallivant's Ferry, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Myrtle Beach, Conway, North Myrtle Beach Airport, Red Hill, Horry, Loris, Hickory Grove, Homewood, Adrian, Bug Hill, Britton's Neck, Nixonville, Rains, Barefoot Landing area of North Myrtle Beach, Wampy, Gresham, Gordown, and Gallivant's Ferry. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington at 1-800-697-3901. The following is a special weather statement for the following counties in North Carolina:
Hoke, Moore, and Scotland. Alrighty. Bro, I was siren testing this thing!
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Scotland County in central North Carolina, southeastern Anson County in central North Carolina, Richmond County in central
That scared me, bro.
North Carolina,
No joke. Like, I thought there wasn't even an alert. I thought it was just when I was siren testing it and it just started doing that.
Were located along a line extending from near Hoffman to near Chesterfield, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail.
There's Carrots on 95.
Radar indicated. Impact.
You know what? Q98 alert. No.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and
Here
trees.
we go.
Locations impacted include 7:30 p.m. At 6:52 p.m. Severe thunderstorms are located along Wagram extending from near Homes and near Chesterfield. Wind gusts at 60 miles per hour on the lowest floor of a building. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, wind damage to vehicles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for damage to roofs, siding, in North Carolina. Locations impacted include Laurinburg, Rockingham, Hamlet, Maxton, Hoffman, Antioch, Dobbins Heights, Wagram, Gibson, and Morven. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Are you serious right now? They failed! I heard a WXL 50 part!
The storms which prompted the warning have weakened. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for eastern North Carolina.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning for Anson County, Hoke County, Richmond County, and Scotland County, effective until 7:37 p.m.
Bruh. Guys, the rain is really getting intense here now. Oh my goodness. It's like severe thunderstorm intensity. Oh my goodness. What is happening out there? Ooh. Uh-oh. I should be under SVR right now. Like, this is SVR intense. I just saw hell fall from the sky.
95 in North Carolina, 15-mile mark. It's outdoors.
KHP31. So what's going on behind the storm? Oh!
Northeastern South Carolina. Thunderstorm watch number 231 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties: North Carolina, Bladen, Brunswick, Columbus, New Hanover, and Pender, and the following coastal waters from Surf City to Cape Fear, North Carolina, out 20 nautical miles, and coastal waters from Cape Fear, North Carolina to West South Carolina, out 20 nautical miles. China building. These storms may intensify, so be certain to monitor local radio stations and available television stations for additional information and possible warnings from the National Weather Service. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for southeastern North Carolina and northeastern South Carolina. Severe thunderstorm watch number 231 remains in effect until 9 p.m. for the following counties: in North Carolina, Bladen, Columbus, Cumberland, Houston.
Alright, it's getting intense now.
Sampson, and Scotland. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather.
See what happens later.
Hail and damaging winds. The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bladen County in southeastern North Carolina until 9:15 p.m. At 8:17 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Bladen Community College, or 8 miles west of Elizabethtown, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, from power lines. A severe thunderstorm will be near Bladen Community College around 8:20 p.m. Elizabethtown around 8:25 p.m. Lisbon around 8:40 p.m. Kellyton around 8:45 p.m. Other locations are around 8:50 p.m. Kelly around 9 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of Bladen County Hospital. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Please send your reports of hail and slash or wind damage, including trees or large limbs down, by calling the National Weather Service office in Wilmington. And thunderstorm warning has been issued until 09:15 p.m. for the following counties: Bladen, North Carolina. The following is a special weather statement. You are being southeastern daylight time observing 90%. Strong thunderstorms will impact southeastern Sampson County through 8:45 p.m. At 8:18 p.m., Doppler radar was tracking strong thunderstorms along a line extending from 10 miles south of Clinton to 9 miles west of...
I don't know if this is my last alert for today. I mean, the watch has been canceled. I mean, on the other radios. Well, on this 120, 400, and this 120, and this 120, the watch got canceled. But on here, the watch is still in effect. But on here, it's still in effect. You just can't see it for some reason. I don't know why it won't let you see the watches. It won't let you see the watches, but on here, yeah, there's a severe thunderstorm watch. But not on here. Not on here. Not on here. And not on here. So, yeah, that's it. Alright, guys, it is the next day, and I just want you to see something. So, yesterday, we had so much bad weather. It was so horrible. It was lightning and everything. And then the next day, it's literally sunny. Okay, North Carolina weather is kind of weird though. That is crazy. Anyways, thank you just so much, guys, for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. I'm gonna end it off on my usual ending. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, and yeah, guys, goodbye. I hope the storms didn't bother you. So yeah. Well, I hope you guys didn't lose anything due to the storms. Anyways, I'm gonna end this off with the live voice.
Today to be better prepared for when the worst happens. Understand your risk from hurricanes and begin preseason preparations now. Make sure you understand how to interpret forecasts and alerts and know what to do before, during, and after a storm. Even if you are already well prepared and knowledgeable, there may be additional things you could learn or do to be even more prepared.
Here are the 2 p.m. observations. In Lumberton, it was partly sunny.
Anyways, guys,
Temperature was 71
goodbye.
degrees.